EU. Top news headlines. Manipur High Court gives direction for immediate removal of SCRT Joint Director. Number of patients visiting outside for treatment decreasing, says Speaker Kemchang. And government needs to develop Tharon Cave to attract more tourists. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA giving you the news in details. A single bench of High Court of Manipur, Justice M.B. Muralidharan directed the state government, Director of State Council Educational Research and Training SCRT and Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC Secretary to remove Joint Director of SCRT immediately. On February 28, the judgment passed by the single bench allowed right petition that prayed for issuing quo warranto as appointment of Joint Director in contrary to the said statutory rules and declaring promotion of Joint Director SCRT on March 28, 2014 is unconstitutional. The right petition has been filed by seeking a right of quo warranto and to direct concerned officials to remove the Joint Director from the post as he is holding the post without any authority of law. The right petition stated that Jim Golden, Joint Director of SCRT, was serving as a lecturer of Government Higher Secondary School and posted at Ramlal Paul Higher Secondary School. He was utilized as Joint Director SCRT on 1999 and transferred to Directorate of SCRT to utilize service as Joint Director. On 2002, the Joint Director was observed, along with his post and his pay in SCRT with effect from 1999. However, the state had published the recruitment rules for the post of producer on 2002, wherein the post of lecturer, project officer of SCRT with 5 years regular service in respective grades and with 7 years regular service were made eligible for promotion to the post of producer. The post and absorb in SCRT is not one of the feeder posts for promotion to the post of Joint Director and SCRT department, the court said. The court opined that the post of lecturer of higher secondary school has never been a feeder post of the producer, which is renamed as Joint Director, even it was proposed for inclusion as a feeder post before and after publication of recruitment rules. There is no order of the government for renaming the post as either lecturer or project officer in SCRT department. Manipur Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchand today stated that with establishment of more new hospitals in the state, the number of people going outside for medical treatment is gradually decreasing now. Khemchand was speaking at the inauguration function of a clinic Man Si Khang, Sowa Rigpa Imphal branch at Gari, which is a Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute under Manipur International University. Beside Khemchand, Director of JENIMS, Dr. Bhimo, and Chancellor of Manipur International University, Dr. Harikumar Paladhatka, attended the function. Chief Medical Officer of the clinic, Dr. Choinyi Samdup, inaugurated the clinic, which is the 57th branch. The clinic specializes in Ayurveda. MIU Chancellor Dr. Harikumar Paladhatka said that the clinic will benefit the people with the latest medical treatment facility. Speaker Khemchand further asserted that MIU will certainly help decline the number of students going outside for medical studies, apart from boosting the state economy. He also expressed happiness over opening a branch of the Tibetan Medical and Astro Institute in the state of Manipur.
investment ama angang singi larik to boda mapanda thari basing sigi university sila di khara phani si ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯎꯁꯇ ꯕꯤꯜꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯪꯈꯤꯕ ꯕꯣꯠ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯔꯤ ꯕꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯄꯣꯖꯤꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯦꯠꯂꯤꯁ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯏꯀꯣꯅꯣꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯕꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯀꯦꯌꯔ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯁꯦ I am really grateful to both of you.
Manipur is adorned with hundreds of exciting tourist spots. However, due to negligence on the part of the government, fate of Tharon Cave is in Tamenglong, one of the attractive tourist destinations, is uncertain. TOMTV bring you an exclusive report in this regard.
Tharon is a remote village situated 28 km from Tamenglong district headquarters, which is about 160 km from Imphal, the capital of Manipur state. The village is endowed with Tharon Cave, a unique tourist spot. Tharon Cave is a hot tourist destination for many nature lovers and adventure seekers from Manipur and other parts of the globe. Talking to TOMTV, Tharon Students Union Vice President Jinruan Nang Marenmai said that this famous tourist destination has no proper facilities such as hotel and lodging to accommodate tourists. He said hundreds of tourists from across the country and abroad visited Tharon Cave in the recent past. However, because of poor sanitation and bad road connectivity, tourists are now not willing to visit the place.
Kuri development akwai central digisu natraga hai state government digisu adum laitebagi akwai na adum waduna adu sida leijare adu akwai hojikana akwai student union na caretaker wana lojari adu student union isu fund su kuri adu da su adum leite adunigina akwai CKF development toningai promote toningai krama tausera natraga kada by what means we can promote, from where do we get the outcome or the sources of to promote this with our weakness of our village, with this weakness of our caretakers. So we want all of the people, all of our communities to promote this a unique place called the Tharon Cave.
DM Wicham Dinang, a village elder, talk about the beautiful Tharon Cave. The cave has a history that connects the life of the villagers since their ancestors discovered it during India's pre-independence era. DM Wicham Dinang called on the concerned authorities to take up steps for promotion and preservation of Tharon Cave, a matchless gift of nature.
Mkhoi jaga se ikhoi yi lamni adubu mapu laibini ko aduna mapu gi khara yengbi derbidi khar yadaba aduna madu yengbiu haina haijaning me si lam se ikhoi hana di mina law tawduna laiba ko aduna madu tawdana ba si jaga si ikhoi lawnana ba haina ikhoi government singna aduga khara mateng pangna badi ngasi ke chi mathang tawrakani haina
Talking to the villagers from the TOMTV, it came to light that they are in the immediate need of the assistance from any related department or concerned authorities in order to develop and preserve and promote the historical cave called the Tharon Cave. From Tharon Cave, with camera person Sanjoy, Blessing Gangmai for TOMTV News.
A team of Imphal West Commando arrested 2 persons along with 6.28 kg of suspected brown sugar worth ₹6 crore in the international market last evening near Tokchom Bridge of Numbul River. The operation was led by Deputy Sub-Inspector Thomas Tokchom under the supervision of Additional Superintendent of Police Operation Imphal West Amarjit Lamabam Singh. The arrested were identified as Muhammad Kabir Ahmed, age 37, son of Muhammad Abdul Latif of Moijing Awang Laikai, Taubal, and Ramjatan Daj, age 43, son of late Suresh Das from Bihar, currently staying at Masjid Road, Imphal. The duo, along with the seized drug, were handed over to City Police Station for further necessary legal action, a report said. Now it's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Lions Gym Health and Fitness Competition kayada mana kaya fanglakraba well qualified trainers singi makhada hangdokchaba khutlai matik chana leiraba amadi nupa nupi punna sanaminaba yaraba gym ne. Admission fee rupees 500 only, monthly fee rupees 500 only, 1 year rupees 4,500, 6 months rupees 2,400, 3 months rupees 1,300. February thagi oinadi admission fee logjaroi. Pollution free location oiraba amadi tha ahum khudingi free health checkup ki khudong chabasu pijari. Ngasimag lengsin biro Lions Gym Health and Fitness Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi Pukri Mapal. Contact number 7005687478. Admission open. The Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center. Foundation course for class 9 and 10 will start from 18 April 2020 and foundation course for 11 and 12 will start from 15 April 2020. Course highlights: small batches, conceptual based knowledge, chapter wise test, individual attention, regular feedback and parents teachers session, free personal counseling. For details please contact the Knowledge Home Boarding Cum Coaching Center, Hata New Chekon Road.
Welcome back after the break. Lamjingba Group today organized its first annual Meet 2020. The meet was held at Lamjingba Group Corporate Office located at Airport Konjeng, Laikai, Imphal. Chairman of Lamjingba Group of Companies J.K. Sanasam, Board of Directors, employees and their family members were present at the meet.
Koina lamjingbana hataki sahi amani sida ngasai haidi hana aikoi gi business planning da yauraga su aikoina suddenly paikhat khiba project sing gi manungda ngasai gi ising gi thabak siju yamna important oiba oikhi loena aikoi gi hospital amadi kangla food products hairiba singsi aikoi ising asi kedo bagi damakta lamjingbana haidi choose tawgibno haibsi masi actually haidi profit motive oinadi aikoi tawjagi banatjade kaimarngi no haiba matamda aikoina lamjingbagi thabak thorom sing asi haidi akoi gi district tara makta loina sin thungnabane haidana aikoina haidi ngasai PRE haidana public relation executive haidana khallaga admaina business si not only ising the focus tawdabida mayam si tawnangai gi projection tawjabni tawdabu hairiba aikoina mayam siga punba numising sida laikai hairiba 60 muk laibsida ngasai 58 akoida attend tawi atu 58 maksina thengnariba laikai gi issue ji thaknaba ising ji ni thaknaba ising si hojik haidi yamna haidi akoi alarming state amada laiba ngaktani haidi akoi sarkar gi lairiba de ama laising se akoi yumda aropan ge hai taraga su ngasai gi yamna costly oiba plus akoina normal portable aro pan ge hagadi even hojik akoi india gi oina su aro portable sing se loi ban tawbagi kanu phawda data book ta leirabni aduduna akoi thaknaba miyoiba mana haidi hakchang lu haidi nadana leige hai taragadi thaknaba ising asi yam important oi aduduna thaknaba ising asi akoina mina effort mi amana person amana effort tawbungam kwa amagi mamandagi hena taba mong da akoina pige haibagi pandamdu da maina tawjagi ba plani.
The mortal remains of former Minister Deni Seja were laid to rest today at Mission Ground under Aluntang of Ukhrul District. Son of former Chief Minister of Manipur, Yangmaso Seja, Deni joined politics in 1995 through Janata Party and contested in the Manipur Legislative Assembly from 44 AC Ukhrul. Then he joined the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP in 1999 and contested from 44 AC Ukhrul and BJP candidate and won the election. While in office, he held the portfolio of a state minister, taking in charge of the Ministry of Agriculture and Ministry of Veterinary for 3 months. And in the midterm poll of 2002, he contested assembly election on BJP ticket from 44 AC Ukhrul and won. A prominent and far-sighted leader with simple and pure heart, he served as Vice President of BJP Manipur State for a full tenure from 2011 onwards. After a long struggle with his health, he left for the heavenly abode on 28 of February 2020, leaving behind his wife, 3 sons and 2 daughters. DM College of Arts under DM University began 74 College Week at the college campus Thangmeiban yesterday. Annual Freshers Social Meet program on academic ethics and higher education was held on the opening day. Vice Chairman of Dhanmanjuri University and Commissioner Higher and Technical Education, Government of Manipur, M. Hare Krishna, Vice President of Students Union, Lunaikub Baifai, and DM College of Arts Principal Dr. C.H. Silaramani were present during the program. The College Week, which will conclude on March 7, will have literary meet from March 2nd to 4th and annual sports meet from March 5th to 7th. College Students Union General Secretary M. Mot Tang Maring noted that good infrastructure is a vital part of an educational institution. He called on the concerned authorities to look into the matter concerning lack of library staff and graduate and postgraduate teachers of the college. Lockdown of OPD of the 50-bedded Jiri Hospital by angry members of civil society residents of Ningsing Khul and local clubs enter its third day today. The protesters have demanded immediate removal of the Chief Medical Officer CMO, calling him an incompetent officer. Muhammad Chukum Ali, former member of Aglapur Jiribam, said that the protest will continue until the incumbent CMO is removed.
Akwai CMO do sinde phau di akwai di OPD thingna laigani amta hangoroge adu koi di doctor ne nurse ne amata to transfer piba jaro roi.
The Old Jiribam United Clubs Association AJUCA, Jiribam today condoled the untimely demise of association advisor Okram Mangi Maite yesterday following a brief illness. In a press statement, AJUCA General Secretary and Dharmendra Maite said that late Okram Mangi Singh had served as a president and advisor of AJUCA for a long time. AJUCA shares the pain and loss of the bereaved family, said the press statement. Nungba constituency MLA Gai Khangam yesterday inaugurated a scheduled tribe boys and girls hostel and an auditorium at Longmai village near Tenkojang Higher Secondary School and Jadonang Memorial College, None District. Northeastern Council NEC sponsored the Rs 8.21 crore project. Speaking on the occasion, Gai Khangam said that this was one of the mega projects taken up during the previous Congress regime, which is a big asset for the newly created None District. This will benefit the poor tribal students, he said. Oath-taking ceremony of office bearers and executive committee for the term 2020-22 of the All Manipur Muslim Organization Coordinating Committee (AMUKOC) was held today at Imphal Sangaiho. Jiribam MLA Ashabuddin, president of Jamiatul Ulema, Manipur PES Imam Babupara Masjid Imphal, Alhaz MB Sahid Ahmad, president of United Naga Council UNC, Kho John, NIPCO president TH Manihar, Mapi Council President and Bimol Maite, Vice President of Sanamahi Temple Board Manipur, Vidyapati Senjam, AGBM Committee Convener Mohammad Wahidur Rahman, and AMUKOC President SM Jalal attended the ceremony. Lions Club International District 322D organized its 14th Annual Reason Conference 2020 today at Lamyan Mashanglan Palace Compound. Altogether, 38 Lions Club of Manipur attended the conference organized by Lions Club of Imphal, Imphal Leimarol Moirang, and Imphal Global. Speaking about the conference, Chairperson Dr. T.H. Gaurabidu said that the conference, among others, discussed the drawback faced by the members of Lions Club.
Handaki sahi so koi Lions Club of Moirang sponsor torpa nga ma district and multiple da past on international geographic international ki regional hai doctrine aduga mamanga amukta Lions Club International na sahi samagani sur awa sibawda akhoi nga sibawda amukta tawdriba Lions Club of Manipur gi itihas hoba India gi itihas hoba makalai karino haragati Lions Club Moirang na sponsor toba angang ani matang sahi budi kanai ani khakna grand prize winner and prithvi Lions Club International gi fast takiba ani rak shukre hariba sumaina ani club amana ani rak puthok pase never happened in the history of the Lions Club International sumaina leibani.
As a part of the annual Community Contract and Extension Program 2020 organized by DM College of Teachers Education and Interaction Program was held at Children Home Diulalan today. The college also extended monetary help and distributed edible items to the inmates of the home.
Tasiyang ngasi yam nungaijay asigum angangsing asi akhoi mamangdasu yam lakhare adubu unaba khudongchaba phangde asigum program sin masina ojasing lakhadaba tungda training sing asina chumna tagi angang dana asigum angang mayam sing asisu mioi bani moisu aphau mi mo oi moisu yokhata yade habi wakhalon pham sin lakshabani tasiyang moi wakhalon sing si so mi oige haibo wakhal lei adubu mokoi da support tawinaba leitabana maram orga moise nungaitana lerami adubu aikoina moise handshake tawdana konbidana adagi appreciate tawbidana tawbidagi moi acho mi am oige sei sake sherma kumge acho scientist oige oja oige haibana chingba wakhal maya phongdoraktuna moige nungaito mayam singda khoi konge na ngasi afam sida lakchabani.
Like Kaitel Kaba, a traditional ritual in ancient Manipur will be observed at Hanaching of Haingang in Imphal on March 14. Manipur Apun Loop Sanamahi Development Society, Universal Mother Organization, the Meitei Leimarol Art Performing Center, Maichou Ningsing Loop and Jinglei Pak Laikan Loop will jointly observe the ritual. Committee advisor Bithau Kuman informed this to media at Manipur Press Club Imphal. He said the committee wants to promote this ritual performed by both the valley and hill people. The committee sought support from every individual, civil society organizations and the state government to make the program a grand success.
Thadau sina kramai to woigi haibana chingba mayam se mayhoron pukok puyada isajing na pabiraga madu yam phajana thengnarani aduna ekhoi mayam se punjana nabagi tanja amakak nungsinaba sagatpagi tanja ama ekoina lowbani.
Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja listing of Machapan Marifum Dodi Honachai Kuntramanga Hena, Notice India Ahan Hearing Aid Clinic Moine Leklaba, Nauka Gi Infal Center Mahangjare, TV Medifon Conjel, Loinana, Nil Kongum from the Tavan, the Awab Mayok Nedibana Al Kudimak, Wabi Rugano, Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic Nasimak Lension Directuna, completely invisible, water resistant, amadi rechargeable with digital hearing aid, Hapiu, Tavan Pangalwana Badomi Kangachana, single powers at Tambio, I could lay from the Nagamapal Main Road, Pawai Sangam Lekai, near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Adongi angang na school da kari tauri, ozana kari takpiri, yum da giyama di office tagi yam na line live class yengba yaraba status agi ahanba school and daycare, tiny fit kiwaina admission hauzare. Backless school, CCTV camera, safe and secure. Healthy breakfast and lunch at school. Highly qualified and caring staff. Creative activities and educational games. Interactive learning through music and movement. 50% less on admission fee for the first 20 students. Contact Tiny Feet, Malom Bazar, Tuliyaima.
Marks Time Classes. Chahi Khudingi Leptana Topper Puthokliba CBSE gi Amatangairaba Coaching Center. Well experienced teaching faculty. Akhanaba subject of Tobagi Kudong Chaba Piri. Batch amada 15 students agi hena logjade. Admission form thazare form pishin bagi aroiba matam February kun. Akupamarol gidamak lengsun biraksi Marks Time Classes. Wangkai Mahobom Lampak. Phone number 943628830 natraga 7005268735.
Welcome back after the break. A mammoth public meeting was held to discuss welfare and development of Kairao village under Imphal East district at Kairao Sabal Laikai football ground today. 11 social organizations jointly organized the meeting. Muhammad Firoz Khan, one of the speakers, said that Kairao is only 10 kilometers away from the capital city Imphal, but it remains backward. He said Kairao is still facing problem of safe drinking water, education institutions and bad roads. Upcoming elections of State Assembly, Gram Panchayat and Jila Parishad members were also deliberated during the meeting.
Apun mana pangan oye wada ukoi masen gian taminara kanta amma kaktang oina ba hana ngasigi chahi kharagi mama chahi taragi mamangda halaman singi apun bagi unti leram bodo kayo hibum to ba tongan tong ba kholon leiba mayam se koi punsan na ba amma khak oina na bagi hotna ba aduga ai khoi na punsal laga ai khoi Kairao marting gi ꯑꯗꯩ ꯀꯩꯔꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ.
The Arunachal Pradesh Legislative Assembly is all set to go paperless from the upcoming budget session. Assembly Speaker Pasang Dorji Sona on Saturday said that the fourth session of the Assembly will take place on e-Vidan platform. Aimed at making the functioning of state legislature paperless, the National e-Vidan application NIVA is all set for rollout to make the Assembly proceedings paperless. Once the e-Vidan project is implemented, each and every information is regarded to the Legislative Assembly will be available at the fingertips of the members, who can then use their tablets or laptops to see the list of business and read questions and other documents pertaining to House proceedings. Sona on Saturday did some familiarization work of the e-Vidan project, which is being implemented in the Assembly Secretariat. The Delhi police on Sunday morning imposed Section 144 in New Delhi's Shaheen Bagh, along with a heavy deployment of police personnel. The Hindu Sena had earlier called for a gathering to clear the Shaheen Bagh protest site on March 1st, stating that Delhi police had failed to clear the road that has been blocked by anti-CAA protesters since over 2 months. While the fringe right-wing group on Saturday called off its proposed protests, police officials said Section 144 was being imposed as a precautionary measure in the wake of the communal riots in northeast Delhi. In a statement, the Hindu Sena said that police pressured them to call off their peaceful protests on Sunday. It also claimed that their national president Vishnu Gupta was illegally detained. However, police said that no one was detained, and the organization called off their protests after a conversation with senior officials. China today reported 35 more deaths from the new coronavirus, taking the toll in the country to 2,870 as per media reports. The number is lower than the 47 fatalities reported by Chinese authorities yesterday. The National Health Commission also reported 573 new infections, bringing the total number of cases in mainland China to 79,824. While still in the hundreds, the figure for new infection is far lower than the huge Delhi increase in cases China was recording in January and February. All but one of the 35 deaths were in Hubei province, whose capital Wuhan is the epicenter of the outbreak. Meanwhile, South Korea reported 376 more coronavirus cases today, bringing its total to 3,526. The new coronavirus, which has killed nearly 3,000 people and infected more than 86,000 in dozens of countries, is believed to have first emerged late last year in a Wuhan market that sold wild animals. Now we have the sports news. Kanglipak Students Association KSA today organized a cycle rally which was flagged off from Kangla Gate in Imphal city. Many cycle enthusiasts took part in the rally. The student body organized the rally to promote the upcoming 9th Kanglei Mega Sports Festival 2020 to be held from March 8 to 13. The theme of the cycle rally was Sports for a Change. The Manipur Master Athletic Association MMA today felicitated the players who won medals at the All India National Master Athletic Championship 2020 held at Tau Devi Lal Athletic Stadium from February 7 to 11th. The team won 87 medals, 37 gold, 30 silver and 20 bronze in the championship. Speaking to media person Secretary of MMAA, RK Chorjit said that 97 players, including 5 officials from the state, took part in the championship. Chorjit added that organizing such felicitation programs will motivate the players.
ngasi oibsi khoi adugumba khoi kanogi haryana gi pansula da pangthokpa adugumba khoi all india national master athletic championship da charu garuba manipur masters khoi gi athletic sing si khoi manipur master athletic corona association khoi chilag ukchabani haibasi khoi gi sandaroi ngateni khoi sandaroi singbu khoi na ngasi ani khoi punna mi 97 ni aduga official na koi manga nga mi chamaga ni haitare.
A maiden international century by Heinrich Klaassen set up a 74-run win for South Africa in the first one-day international against Australia at Boland Park on Saturday. Klaassen hit 123 not out in a South African total of 291 for 7. Australia were on target midway through their replay by lost their last 7 wickets for 43 runs to be bowled out for 217. Steve Smith and Marnus Labuschagne put on 84 for Australia's third wicket after the early loss of opening batsmen Aaron Finch and David Warner, both dismissed by Lungi Ngidi, who finished with 3 for 30. Smith 76 and Labuschagne 41 hit only 3 boundaries between them as scoring proved difficult on a slow pitch and a big outfield. When they tried to accelerate, Labuschagne was caught at long on off left arm spinner Keshav Maharaj. Mitchell Marsh helped Smith at 41 for the 4th wicket, but Marsh was bowled by Ngidi, and 3 balls later Smith was trapped leg before wicket by Heinrich Nortje. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur High Court gives direction for immediate removal of SCRT Joint Director. Number of patients visiting outside for treatment decreasing, says Speaker Kemchan. And government needs to develop Taron Cape to attract more tourists. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.